Hey guys, this is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I wanted to speak to you about the Hydroblast. This is our parts washer we manufacture. This cabinet is the 33 by 30 by 28 workspace. However, we do manufacture machines all the way up to 60 by 30 by 38. So if you need a parts washer for really large parts, we've got your answer. We've also got the answer for automated parts washers. So if there's something we can help you with, by all means, let us know. This parts washer has a wiper, which is going to help with visibility. It has a 2-foot LED light bar inside, so the lighting inside is exceptional. With the heater, it's going to melt away the oil, the grease, the grime, and create a very effective, clean surface, which is going to make the performance of your parts once they're reassembled exceptional. So this is why top mechanics choose this parts washer. If you have any questions, we would love to help you out. Give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.